How to trade 4-star sticker in Monopoly Go. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you trade 4-star sticker in Monopoly Go. Now in Monopoly Go, you could trade 4-star sticker by sending a duplicate sticker to a friend who can then use them again to gain star from their album. However, you cannot directly trade stars. Sending sticker is how you facilitate star collections for your friend. So what you need to do is, first of all, you want to go to the album and identify your sticker. So here you have the album from the right hand side corner of your screen, and then identify the 4-star you have duplicate of. Then you just need to go ahead and tap on the sticker that you want to send, click on send to friend, and choose the friend that you want to trade. After which your friend will receive the sticker and can then repeat the process to send your sticker you need in return. So this is how you'll be able to trade 4-star sticker in Monopoly Go. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.